What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel. You're watching Miguel EDC, the channel where we talk everything EDC gear here. And today we're checking out not one, not two, but three different Molsect knives. It's going to be a 3-for-1 type of video here. This should be exciting. These all came in the same package, so I figure, hey, let's go ahead and feature them all here in the channel. I think some of these might be revisions to some other knives, so we're going to go ahead and check them out here in this order. Right, starting with this one. This is the Orbit, and I think they were doing some revisions, some improvements, right, adding some new variants to some knives as well. I have featured the Orbit and Jungle here in the channel before, as well as a few other models as well. You got the same green packaging right there. It looks very, very elegant. Coming with a wiping cloth right there, a sticker, paperwork, and some paracord as well. And of course, here's the knife with some silica gel. But here we go. This new version right here, we have, well, first of all, make some room, shall we? We got a banana yellow going on this one with the black accents. So it's going to be a black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and... Anyways, yeah, so blacked out hardware, blacked out pocket clip liners, sandwich construction with blacked out liners there, as you can see. Two standoff sandwich construction, the pocket carry clip, which is not reversible for some reason. They do give you TA hardware, so that's good. But why it isn't reversible, I don't know. Feels like it would have been a no-brainer to make it reversible. Molsect logo, which I think looks pretty good. Also because my name starts with an M, so I dig that. It's a gorgeous looking M right there. And it is very interestingly done so that you can use a good old flathead screwdriver or, you know, like a coin or something and adjust the pivot on the fly if you're not carrying, you know, say a T8 with you at all times. But there we go. This one is a front flipper and nice contour G10 scales all around. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Bam. All right, take a look. There it is, ladies and gentlemen, the Molsect, which again, it's a really, really elegant knife. We have a hollow ground here with a blacked out blade, 14C 28N steel, looking really good, and a beautiful fuller right there. This one has a black coat, and it is going to be a liner lock. So there we go. Very nice and easy to deploy. We have good amount of jimping here on the front flipper, as you can see. Right, actually wraps all the way around, which is nice. And yeah, this again deploys really nice, well-tuned detent. And I am able to access the liner here pretty easily. Not necessarily with any additional access from the show side. It's more of pushing down into the left kind of guys, you know, kind of knife. So there you go. That's very nice and easy to do. And yeah, that front flipper is money. Now, this is the 1-in-1 deployment option only. My philosophy is always, hey, if you're going to give me one deployment option, right, let's make sure that it is money. Money! And this one absolutely is. So with that, let's go ahead and put this one somewhere up there on the screen. This next one here, I believe, is another model we've seen before, so perhaps this one is a variant. By the way, all these knives are going to end up given away here in the channel at some point or another, so definitely subscribe to the channel if you aren't already, so when that giveaway gets announced. But yeah, same, again, very, very elegant pouch here, embossed Molsect logo and stuff like that. So same things on this one as far as the additional stuff, but hey, we got a matching banana yellow on this one. Check this one out. So there we go, a little bit of yellow everywhere. That's what I'm talking about. Now, what's interesting, and I'm noticing, is, you know, a little bit here with this yellow color is, I wonder if this wipes off, or maybe I can clean it off, but it does come not necessarily the cleanest color, right? There's some, you know, different, like darker, you know, something going on there, which you wouldn't see on a darker color, but given it's yellow, right, you do see it a little bit more. So I'll try to clean that after and see how that goes. But milled G10, right, kind of has this sort of crocodile skin look to it, right, which you can actually see and feel more or less here, right? Definitely something that gives you additional grip. Also blacked out liners with this one, but yellow matching G10 backspacer, and this one is going to be a flipper, and we do have some thumb studs, and we do want to zoom out for this one, bam, because it is like Lefty put it, the Rambo of holders. So it's called the Jungle. So if you find yourself bored and you want to go tear down a jungle at any point, this is the knife to go with. Because I mean, come on, the sheer size of this thing is insane. It is going to be a liner lock. We do have good access to a liner on this one. Easy to disengage right there, right? And the blade is heavy, of course. It is a larger blade, so it has a nice drop shotty action. Check that out. So we can thumb deploy. We can probably reverse flick as well. Let me see. Do remember it being a little bit more challenging to reverse flick. I'm not gonna not gonna beat up my middle finger about it, right? But I guess you could if you were really determined. Not necessarily super easy to do out of the box. So I'm gonna stick with thumb deployment and that flipper right there, which is nice and jimped, as you would expect. All right, so check that out. Good jimping there, right? Same good stuff, right? Pivot right there, big hardware. The flathead bit, not only on the pivot, but also on the thumb stud, which is very interesting to see. So no Torx here, just a flathead, and then TA all around, including on the pocket clip and body screws. Pocket clip also not reversible, something to keep in mind. And of course, you got handle for days. My baby hands are not going to do this knife justice anytime soon. So you can see plenty of handle back here. I'm gripping right behind the finger. The flipper right there, which is acting as a finger guard. You can also forward choke here if you wanted to. There's a nice finger choil, plunge grind situation there, and good jimping on the blade. So you definitely, as you chop down that jungle, right, with this knife, you definitely are going to have plenty of grip and plenty of handle for your big old bare paws. Listen, my people always like, Miguel, where the big knives at? We need the big knives. We don't do the tiny stuff. We want the big stuff. All right, here we go. The Jungle is the knife for you. I kid you not. This is a behemoth of a knife. So it's not going to fit in frame. Let's just put them all like that, I guess. Right, 1, 2. Let's move on to the third one here. Right, again, this is a rapid fire 3-for-1 unboxing. Hopefully you guys are enjoying it so far. Smash that like button. If you haven't already, subscribe, right, for more awesome content like this. Right, you guys already know the drill with this one. And ooh, this one's called something different. Wait a second. Right, this one definitely is making a debut here in the channel. The Nova prototype. Nova prototype has blue aluminum 14C28N and PVD on the blade. So that's gonna be an interesting one. So typical stuff already in the packaging, you already know. But here is the Nova, right? Let's check out what the Nova is all about. Oh my goodness. Now, first impressions, guys, this is something special here, no doubt about it, right? This looks and feels pretty good. Loving the aluminum scales right here. I mean, I love G10 as much as the next guy, but when you put metal on the handle, I dig that a lot more. So that blue right there on the aluminum looks really, really good. Pocket clip here, deep carry, about this much. Not reversible, something to keep in mind. Blacked out logo. We have blacked out liners as well with a matching, I'm assuming, yeah, aluminum backspacer there as well. I want to say the pocket clip is, where's my magnet? Here we go. Oh yeah, we do have a steel pocket clip, but again, aluminum on the scales. And it looks to be a front flipper, and this front flipper is very similar to the front flipper on the Devo bench, Devo and Blade bench collaboration, the bench. Now this thing works really good as a front flipper. Almost works like a lighter here from Sippo, right? Like a Sippo lighter, because it's so easy to hit it at any angle. I bet this thing's gonna be just about the same. So without further ado, bam, there it is, guys, the Nova. Now it's gonna have a little bit of similarities to the Orbit, right? More or less here and there. It does seem to be a little bit of a taller, let's see here, side by side, taller blade perhaps. No fuller on the Nova. Is it still a hollow ground? Yes, it's still a hollow ground. Has that PVD coating on it, right? 14C28N steel. More or less somewhat the same profile as the Orbit. However, it's kind of like they took the Orbit and then decided to give it a finger choil, which kind of was something that I really would have liked to see on the Orbit. So that's them paying attention to the knife community. And by the way, Molsect is definitely one of those brands that will listen, right? They want to work with the community, designing great knives. So we have this finger choil situation here, so we can forward choke, and right out the bat, it feels so much better as an EDC knife. Absolutely digging it for that, right? That feels good. Now, it doesn't necessarily help the plunge grind situation. At some point, you may end up developing a smile. So we'll see how that goes down the line here, down the road. This is something to keep in mind. Good access, by the way. We do have a cutout here, right, as compared to on the Orbit, right, for better access to the liner. So they improved on that, and very nice drop shotty blade. So I'll tell you, man, this front flipper, I mean, this is what you call a traditional front flipper right here, which works nice and it's very snappy. But come to find out, there we go. Can you lock, sir? Thank you. Come to find out, front flippers like this are a lot, easier on the thumb, a lot easier to deploy, a lot less likely to fail or to, not deploy on you, whatever the case is. Very predictable, always will deploy no matter what. So Digging that reach around. Feels good. Side of the index finger. There we go. That works too. All right. So through and through, I mean, I feel like this is a much more improved version of the Orbit. And this is the Nova prototype. I think this one should be available as of the time of this video. Of course, I have this knife and every other knife here on the table. Link down below so you guys can check out prices, availability, and variants. And the only thing that is left to do, of course, in typical, right, channel fashion here, is to do a good old paper cutting test, right? Very scientific cutting test. So we'll go in that same order that we started. Again, 14C on the Orbit right here, cutting some paper. I mean, come on. You already knew, right? Switching over to the Jungle, right? I mean, this is like, you know, a joke for the Jungle, but yeah, in case you're wondering, it could cut some paper. And then the Nova prototype, oh man, so nice. And these come so sharp out of the box. Not even a question. Definitely gonna cut through that paper, no issue. And as far as cardboard goes, right, I have a single wall piece of cardboard, cutting at a diagonal angle here for better performance. Instead of straight up, diagonal is better. And wow. Oh man, yeah, these things cut, ladies and gentlemen, no doubt about it. Switching over to the Jungle, forward choke position, right? Yeah, this is a pocket machete right here. This thing will definitely cut. That is not even a question. And last but not least, the Nova, right? Here we go. Oh man. Ladies and gentlemen, surprise, surprise, the knife cuts. Won't you imagine that I would totally poke myself with a blade? So what happens when you get too excited, Miguel? Let's not do that. Imagine. But there we go, the knife cuts, and that's the very pokey tip right there. In case you were wondering, it can definitely poke. I can check my glucose right now. But you guys be the judge. I should probably wipe this before YouTube thinks that this is something else. But you guys let me know your thoughts on these, right? Rate them in the comments on a scale from 1 through 10, right? How sharp are they? Clearly, I got a little pinging sensation in my index finger that says, yeah. Let me know what you guys like about these, love about these. Is there anything you dislike about these? Let me know, and let's hang out in the comment section down below. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Either this one or this one. Peace.